You're wondering which service is the best in the best web hosting category. Having looked at over 30 hosting sites, and this one has the most reliable security features. I have been using this hosting for about 10 years and it has never let me down. In this short video, I will show you 7 life hacks that few people know about, but which make it truly one of the best in the best web hosting category. Take a closer look at the screen. Let's get started.
Dotster is an American web hosting provider that spent most of its formative years as a domain registrar before expanding its services. Although its product line is rather limited, Dotster promises superior performance, 24/7 support, and 3 well-structured plans with some unlimited features at a bargain price. The official Dotster website is simple in style and therefore reasonably easy to use, although it is not exactly replete with information about the company and its services. Like most similar providers in the US, the site is available only in English and prices are listed in US dollars. If you're interested in their presence on social media sites, you can find Dotster on Facebook and Twitter, although both accounts have remained in a deep sleep since 2020. Dotster offers 3 shared hosting plans of varying sizes to strike a balance between quality and price. Their knowledge base suggests that VPS packages were also available, but none are currently displayed. The cheapest of the 3 shared hosting plans is basic and costs $3.75 per month. However, this is the initial price, which is only valid for the first term of service. After that period, it will automatically renew at the regular rate. However, this plan will give you the ability to host one website, use unlimited disk space, scalable monthly bandwidth, 10 MySQL databases, 5 FTP accounts, unlimited subdomains, and an SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt. Free domain registration is also included with each package, but it applies to a limited number of domain names and is valid only for the initial term. Dotster provides a 30-day money-back guarantee on all of its plans. However, there is no refund if you get a free domain name. Supported payment methods with Dotster include all major credit cards, PayPal, and check money orders. After selecting your preferred plan, you should choose the billing cycle you want to stick with and click Buy Now. This will direct you to a simplified domain registration screen where you need to select a new domain, whether you want it or not. To use an existing one or transfer it from another registry, you'll have to contact Dotster support and hope they're helpful enough. In any case, if you're registering a new domain, quite a few are available, some as low as $2.99 and others, the premium ones, cost up to $5,000 a year. You have to watch every little detail about your purchase here because Dotster uses many of the usual upselling tactics, such as add-ons, to improve the sale. Because of these, the registration process can be confusing, so you better remain vigilant because it won't take long in the long run. After confirming your choice, you will need to enter your personal information, read the terms of service, and make your purchase. If you haven't purchased a VPS hosting plan, you're stuck with VDEC as your graphical management interface. While VDEC does not come on par with cPanel or Plask, it is not a black sheep in the family of control panels. Its user interface is pretty straightforward and seems easy enough to work with, whether it's installing some popular applications or managing email databases and FTP transfers. Dotster also offers 3 innovative website plans, the smallest of which, Starter, costs $1.99 a month but is limited to 6-page websites only. All 3 programs provide a user-friendly graphic editor with an SSL certificate, blogging support, social media sharing, contact management, and lead capture forms. If you choose the higher-level options, so you get even more attractive features. If you insist on staying as independent as possible, there are several options with Dotster, including an FAQ section, knowledge base, and video tutorials. The FAQ section is short and goes straight to the point. The knowledge base includes over 500 articles divided into 15 categories. Although the articles themselves seem easy to understand, navigating the knowledge base is not easy, partly because of the sheer number of selected papers. The video tutorials section of Dotster is visually unappealing, but can be a great help, especially for beginners. However, if you prefer to contact someone from Dotster customer service, you can do so through several channels: a 24-hour phone number, online chat, a ticket, and email. If you find it more convenient, you can also contact them via Facebook and Twitter, since customer interaction seems to be the only remaining purpose of these two accounts.